Good morning, friends. Yesterday we was see a question number 1 to question number 12. Now we are going to see question number 13 to question number 32. First, question number 13. In amperometry, the potential applied between the indicator electrode and reference electrode is option number 1, change slowly, option number 2, change rapidly, option number 3, keep constant, option number 4, none of the above. The question number the option number 3 is correct, because when we use amperometry the potential will be constant, and when we use potentiometer or amperometry, then the current will be constant. So here we are going to see question number 14. In the amperometric titration, which one of the best example using rotating platinum electrode? Option number 1, nickel with DMG. Option 2, lead with the dichromate ions. Option number 3, arsenate by KB, KBrO3. Option number 4, copper, cobalt, platinum with alpha aminoso beta naphthose. The option number C is correct. Now we are going to see question number 15. The most important requirements for electrogravimetric analysis are option number A. The deposition of the substance of interest must be complete. The deposit must be inert. It may not undergo any change in its weight during the process of electrolysis. Option number C. The deposit must be unknown composition. Option number D. The deposit must be adhered firmly to so that the electrode can be raised and weights without loss. We can see which of the statement is correct. So all the statement are correct. So option number D is correct. Now we are going to see question number 16. In question number 16, in the voltammetric techniques, substance from analyte, reduce or oxidize at a microelectrode is said to be option number 1, depolarized, option B, semipolarized, option C, polarized, option D, none of the above. Option number A is correct, depolarized. Now we are going to see question number 17. In question number 17, cyclic voltammetry can be applied to dash electrode as well as dash mercury drop, and to reaction for which stripping analysis dash is due to dash is an irreversible electrode process. Option number A, stationary signal inapplicable highly. Option B, moving signal applicable slowly. Option C, stationary double inapplicable highly. Option number D, moving double applicable slow. The option number 1 is a correct, stationary single and inapplicable high. Now we are going to see question number 18. Electromagnetic radiation is characterized by dash. First, option number 1, amplitude. Option B, periodicity. Option number C, wavelength and wave number of frequency. Option number D, all the above. Option number D is correct, all the above. Now we are going to see question number 19. The region of greatest importance for emission analysis. Option number A is 200 plus 300 nanometer. Option number B, 200 to 500 nanometer. Option C, 250 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Option number D, 400 nanometer to 600 nanometer. So option number C is correct. Now we are going to see question number 20. In amperometry, either the titrant or a reagent or the species being titrate should be? It should be option number 1, sorry, option number A, radioactive, option B, photoactive, option C, electroactive, and option D is gas sensing. The option C is the correct, electroactive. Now we are going to see question number 21. The polarographic method may be used for the determination of which of the following inorganic anions. Option number 1, cyanide, option B, bromide, option D, dichromate, option D, all the above. All the above is correct. Now we are going to see question number 22. The sampling of a gas filled cylinder is done by first option number 1, stack sampling, option B, ambient sampling, option C, fluorescing sampling, option D, random sampling. Option 1 is correct. Option A is correct. Now we are going to see question number 23. The retention factor for a particulate solute depends on option number 1, stationary phase, option B, mobile phase, option C, both, option D, none of the above. The retention factor depends on stationary and mobile phase both, so option number C is correct. Now we are going to see question number 24. In question number 24, TLC, thin layer chromatography, is a separation technique based on dash. First, option number A, solubility, option B, partition, option D, adsorption, option C, adsorption, option D, fractional distillation. Option C is correct. It depends on, it's based on adsorption chromatography technique is the TLC. Now question number 25. Which one of the following is a limitation of HPLC? Guys, please comment what is the full form of HPLC. The option is, now we are going to see options. Option A, it requires internal standards. Option B, it is not useful in the herbal analysis. It cannot, option C, it cannot be fully automated. Option D, the mobile phase consumption of sample is high. Option C is limit of HPLC. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 26. Which of the following statement about preamplifier or IF amplifiers and RF amplifier is wrong? Option number 1. The outputs of IF and RF amplifier are adjustable. And option B. A preamplifier is located near or inside a probe. Option C. They all frequency turnable amplifier. So option number C is correct. Now we are going to see question number 27. In question number 27, how many signals will diethyl ethane give in PMR spectra? So option number A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The diethylene ether is giving two spectra of PNMR. Now question number 28. In question number 28, the absence of double band at about 2800 centimeter inverse in the IR spectrum of unknown organic compound eliminates from consideration the possibility of the. So what is in which of them the correct answer? So option A, acetophenone, option B aldehyde, option C ketone, option D ester. So option B is the correct answer. Aldehyde is the correct answer. Now we are going to see question number 29. In UV visible spectroscopy of organic compound, the N2 pi star, guys, this is a not O. It is a sorry, it is the pi. This is a sigma star. Sorry, there is a mistake in typing. So in question number 29, in visible spectroscopy of organic compound, the N2 sigma star electronic transition which arise in a saturated compounds containing the heteroatoms such as sulfur, nitrogen, bromine and iodine is all of less importance because they are in option number A, they are inactive. Option B, their absorption is just above 700 nanometer. Option C, their absorption is just below 200 nanometer. Or option D, the band is ruptured. The option C is the correct answer. Their absorption is just below 200 nanometer. Now we are going to see question number 13. In the UV visible spectrum, the term oxochrome is used to designate groups possessing dash. The option number A is a bonding electron pairs conjugated with a pi bond system. Option B, no bonding electron pairs conjugated with a pi electron system. Option C, bonding electron pair conjugated with sigma bonding system. Option D, non-bonding electron pair conjugated with the sigma bond system. So option number C is the correct, bonding electron pair conjugated with the sigma bond system. Now we are going to see question number 31. The strength of Earth's magnetic field is about dash Gauss. Question number option number 1, 0.10, option B 0.57, option C 0.23, option D 0.37. Option B is the correct, 0.57. This is the last question, guys. Question number 32. The dash shift is the position of an absorption peak relative to that of the reference compound, usually TMS. What is the correct answer? Option A is red, option B chemical, option C is blue, option D red and blue. When we see the the chemical shift is the correct answer. Guys, if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.